Hello, I received your question here. You want to solve this equation, put an integer fraction. First thing you got to determine is LCD. You got a 4 and an 8. LCD, I guess, is, they'll both go into 8. So you want to multiply both sides by 8. So multiply the left side by 8 and the right side by 8. And so, here you want to multiply 8 times a fourth. You can put the 8 over 1, 4 going to 8 2 times. And here 8 will go into 8 1 time. So you have 2 times 3t minus 7 equal to t plus 7 times 1. So I just multiplied 8 times a fourth and got to 2. 8 goes into 8 1 time, leave me at the t plus 7. And this will be, 6t minus 14 equal t plus 7. I'm guessing, you know how to finish it from here. It was just getting it, clearing out the fractions that were giving you problems. Hope this helps.